1/4 cup of pizza sauce, and we're gonna spread it all over. See how beautiful she spread out? Now we're gonna add a 1/4 cup of cheese, and I'll probably add 2 of those. Okay, look how beautiful it is. Now we'll add our turkey pepperonis. Okay, now I'm gonna sprinkle on some garlic powder, because who doesn't love garlic? And some oregano. Because I like my pizzas to have flavor. And we're gonna pop it in the oven at 350 for about 20 minutes. Look how good this pizza looks. It's under 300 calories, and it has 32 grams of protein. I am almost done eating my pizza. It's delicious.